I just wanted to catch her little. She didn't do her legs twitch
No,
with
because
it.
that was the funny part. She's trying to communicate with them. Well, it's fine at everyone. Here, let's catch it. Let's Make it happen for dinner.
I'm pretty sure he doesn't have the speed to catch it.
That and the snake.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just want to see her do her little lady.
I wonder if I'm sure someone has eaten seagull before, but I wonder what it tastes like.
Yeah, chicken. Hey, there's a pelican.
Probably a little game.
A lot of things taste like chicken. Frog legs taste like chicken feet.
So, you want me to take a picture of you?
It's a little crazy.
Wait, this one's metallic on the inside. Wait, that's actually cool.
That's what it-
Look.
Yeah, they've got some like curling
Yeah, look.
the shells.
It's like the iconic shell.
Oh, that's a
There you
pretty
go.
shell. That was a good find.
Yep.
I think we've had like many. These are our shells.
Little mussels.
No, look at the one that Sloan has.
Yeah.
No, sorry. Rowan has.
I found all of these. Mom found this one.
Rowan, I wanted to see you try to squawk at the seagulls.
My jacket because I don't want to get my jacket dirty.
Do you want to wear my jacket?
What if I?
What if I wear your jacket?